Did you know a master art forger once saved himself from execution by proving he was a traitor? Stay until the end to see how he pulled off this impossible defense. Meet Han van Meegeren, the Dutch painter who couldn't sell his own work. So he decided to forge paintings by Johannes Vermeer, one of history's greatest artists. His fakes were so perfect that even top art experts believed they were real. But then World War II began, and the Nazis invaded Holland. Van Meegeren saw an opportunity. He sold his fake Vermeer paintings to high-ranking Nazi officials, including Hermann Goering, Hitler's right-hand man. The Nazis paid millions, thinking they were buying the priceless masterpieces. But when the war ended, Van Meegeren faced a death sentence for treason. The Dutch government accused him of selling their national treasures to the enemy. In the most shocking courtroom twist ever, Van Meegeren had to prove he was actually a forger, not a traitor. He painted a new fake Vermeer right there in court, showing everyone how he had fooled the Nazis for years. His treason became his salvation,